A big hello to all the members of the Georgia Bankers Association. I'm Ken Fainer, and my company is The Social Glue, and I'm pleased to announce that I'm going to be one of the presenters at this year's marketing conference. It's being held on Jekyll Island, March 20th through the 22nd, and I'm helping to kick everything off on March 20th with a workshop entitled The Power of Video. In the first part of the workshop, you're going to be learning how to create dynamic videos. In the second part of the workshop, I'm going to be sharing with you an app that I use every single week, and it makes creating these videos super simple. In the third part of the workshop, you're going to go out and you're going to create 3 videos that you can use right away. And in the fourth part of the workshop, we're going to come together, we're going to compare notes, we're going to share our videos that we've created, and we're going to learn from one another, all so that we can go out and harness the power of video. I look forward to seeing you on March 20th.